guys? So for this video, mag-unbox tayo ng delivery from Amazon. May dalawa kasi akong in-order sa Amazon na items na kakabit ko sa bagong computer. So, tara, unboxing na tayo. So ito yun guys. Yan, medyo malaki siya. Tingnan natin kung anong nasa loob niya itong box na to. Come baby, let's open it. We will open it. Yeah. Sit here, sit here. Sit here, please. Yeah. Open it. Open, yeah. Got scissors first. Careful. Wow. Look what's inside. Oh, careful, you may fall down. Hold here. Wow. What's inside? Wow, it's a keyboard. This one is K28 keyboard. Other one is... Oh, yeah. We open this one. USB LED light. But for today, we're gonna unboxing only this one. Okay, we're gonna open the K28 keyboard, okay? Let's open it, baby. Open it. Wow, what's inside? Then this the keyboard itself. Okay. Careful. Hold this for daddy, okay? Hold this for daddy. Okay. Then, ibang tawag dito? Yung kinakabit sa may bandang dulo ng keyboard. Then, the other one is, yes, this one's the manual. Nothing else inside. Thank you. So, this is the keyboard. Wala sa nung numpad key. Hindi ka ito ng ibang mga keyboard na nakikita natin madalas. Then, we'll put it here, baby. Let's put it here. This side. Yeah, this one right here, guys. Okay. Wait. Wait up. Sit up. Yeah. That's it. Yes. Then this is the back of the keyboard. Ganda yung pagkakadesign ng back niya. Ito yung feel ng mechanical keyboard kumpara sa normal na keyboard. Diba? Parahin natin itong dalawang keyboard na sa harap mo. Ito is a Razer keyboard and this one is the K28. So, kung papansin nyo, itong isang to, may numpad siya. May numpad. Dito is wala. Sa sounds naman siguro, sa pagpindot ng every keys, medyo silent siya kasi parang medyo soft i-touch itong Razer keyboard natin. While the K98 mechanical keyboard kung napapakinggan nyo, medyo maingay siya kasi ibang klase yung button niya, mechanical keyboard niya. Pero para sa akin, mas gusto ko to kasi medyo maingay to masyado. Baka magising na kapitbahay.
Hoy bata, matulog ka na.
So, pag-usapan naman natin yung special features ng keyboard na to. So, simulan natin sa effects ng RGB lights niya. Kung papansin nyo, hindi gumagalaw ang RGB lights niya. Ito yung magiging effect number 1 natin. So, para baguhin yung effect na to, pipindutin nyo lang is FN and SL keys. So, effect number 2, kung papansin nyo, every time na pipindutin ko yung every single keys, yun lang yung may ilaw. So, effect number 3, ito naman yung parang pulse. Pulse effect. Pulse effect. Effect number 4, effect number 5, effect number 6. Sa effect number 6, kung mapapansin nyo, EWSD and arrow keys lang yung may ilaw. Effect number 7, effect number 8, effect number 9. Every case, para may gumagapang na ilaw, diba? So, para bumalik siya sa effect number 1 or sa stable na ilaw lang, pwede yung gumit yung FN and escape para mag-reset siya.